I went to drop the kit off and I don't have enough gas. I came to get gas and my car, I'm complaining of dirty things. I'm going to go and wash it. So finally this morning that I have the chance, so this is where I am now, just to come and wash the car. I have a lot of stuff to do today, so I just want to make sure everything is, all the small stuff is out of the way. So that's what I'm doing right now. The car is very dirty, so I don't think going there to go and get their vacuum cleaner will solve any problem here. I just need to wash inside, but at least I've washed outside, so I'm gonna wait any day the weather is very hot, then I'll clean the outside. So now I'm just going to go and get my oil, because we are cooking beans. Mama is cooking beans this morning, so I'm just gonna go and carry my oil. I'm gonna look for towel. Like last year, I have a lot of all these small towel cloth, or what do they call it? Like a little towel, face towel. I always put it in my car, so later I finish washing, I will just use it to clean it. But everything is gone. I've removed everything now. There's nothing to clean it. At least it's okay when we are cleaning this, I can still wash it. Me with the boys, so I'm going to wait when the weather is a little hot. Then we can go and do that outside. My nose. So guys, I will see you there. I've passed Best Buy. If I wanted to branch, so that I don't want to go to Best Buy again to go and buy this. What do they call it? What I used to put my phone case. I don't want to go to Best Buy again because I've gone there twice. All the things I got the same thing there, and most of them always break. And the one I broke them, so it's not Best Buy. But I want to get different type. But I've not seen any different type the last time I went there, except the same thing that will match my car. So this one I'm just gonna try to take it out because it's of no use here. Wow, it's gone. I want to take it off. It's glued there. Take it out. Oh my god. Oh, don't spoil my car, please. It's like I use ventilation, put it. So guys, I will see you when I get home, because just waiting for the lights to be green so that I can pass. Mercy on your brothers and your sisters, just for now. you are doing your mouth. I'm back home. And this is my mini chicken. Remote to bar. Mirabe, go and get me that remote. Go and get me that remote. Soon I will be sending you a message.
Today's a good Sunday morning. Hi, Mimi. And we're going to church. Guys, he says hi. So, are you gonna tell them? Are you gonna talk to them? Oh, she's trying to. She's trying to pause the video, Mom. What are you doing? Yeah. You tell them what happened yesterday. Okay, tell them. Tell them. What were you just saying, Mimi? Yeah. See, guys. So let me translate. So she was talking about yesterday at the party was good. Oh. Except for everyone was crowding her, right? Mommy. But you ate some cake. Okay. Oh, sure. What are you doing? So, I'm just here watching Mirabelle in the bed. Watching Mom over there. Hi, Mom. And then, Mirabelle, come on. The viewers want you. The viewers want you. The viewers want you back. The viewers love you. You're like the heart of us. Oh no, Mama.
Dressing the same style.
Hey guys, she copied me. Wait. Mom is copying my dressing again. Look at me. Jean jacket. Jeans.
Jacket.
Mine is dark blue jeans. See? Dark blue jeans. Dark blue jean jacket. Hers is light blue jean jacket. Light blue jeans, bro. What? She's copying me again. Guys, I'm all ready. We're gonna go downstairs. I got the car seat with me. And yeah, got my gift bag on my shoulders. And we're gonna go downstairs, go meet Isabel and Michelle. Yeah? Sure. They might give us candy after because it's here. Do it. We're doing a scavenger hunt. Whoever finds is the blue that we're trying to find. Okay. It looks like an egg. We're doing a scavenger hunt now? Yeah, like a balloon. Okay. Guys, you guys are gonna be on my team. You guys are gonna be my POV. So, tell me when you guys are hiding it. No! You guys can't hide there, because I'm watching you. Come in my blanket. Bro, okay, but it's anywhere in the house. What? I even made distractions. Like, I opened this, I opened that, and he somehow got it, bro. This, and these jars. First try. You guys are cheaters, bro. I know you guys are cheating. Nah. Isabel's hiding it.
Philippians 4:6. Micah 6:8. Micah 6:8. Oh, that was one way to open. I have to open you.
I surrender.
Oh, this is final. Wow,
Let's see who's gonna win.
Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, go. Again, 1, 13.
Thou spake
At this juncture, I have to call Brother Shegun to present the gift. So we have just a couple of gift cards. So enjoy yourself at Tim Hortons. Thank you very much. Praise the Lord.